Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out. This is a 2009, I'm sorry, leveled 2009 GMC SIERRA 2500 HD 6.0 liter SLE 4x4. It will confuse you because this is a Duramax hood. Yes, it is. Allison transmission, Duramax 6.6. But it's not a Duramax. It's just the hood. Don't get that confused. Beautiful 6.0 right here, guys. Running and driving great. Owned by a mechanic who is very critiqued everything, and just an awesome dude, by the way. Super nice truck. He took really good care of it. A lot of new components on here, including cab lights, mirrors that turn white, turn signals first, then they turn white. It's got the big spotlight mirrors right here, so you can see, put that on, and man, you see everything that's coming. Huge light in the rear. 2500 HD. Tires are pretty much 80% tread, I want to say, on all four corners. Let me see, same thing right here. Yeah, tread 80% on all four corners. GMC wheel, factory wheels right here. The cab corners don't look bad at all. Solid. The door, whoop, I just locked myself out. It's got the sun visors here. Turn signals incorporated into the mirror. Rough country all-weather tech floor mats, or rough country floor mats. Front right there and the rear right here. What else? We got all little compartments here to put whatever you want to put there. The door jambs are nice and clean. They're all solid metal, so it's really nice. And the driver's side is the same way. Let me just verify that. It looks good. GMC, yep. All the emblems are still there. I'll show you a few other things about the truck. It's really nice. Flip up center console right here. All your manuals still in the center console. Full bench seat. Miles, it's got 146,694 maintained miles. Four-wheel drive works great. You have your adjustable foot pedal right there. Just pop the hood and check out the power plant. Electric trail brake controller, electric lights, automatic lights, power windows and locks. There's your tire gauge right there, or your settings right there, the VIN sticker right there, and solid. Looks pretty good. Underside looks pretty clean. So yeah, she's a nice truck. Not saying it's perfect, but it's really nice. Bed liner, it's got the overlaid bed liner. Not my preference on style, but who cares? It's got a small imperfection somewhere around here. I forgot where it was. Maybe it's on the other side. But overall, no, she's clean. It really is. There you go. Kind of see a little like scratch or whatever the hell that is right there. But no, overall, she's pretty. Really nice truck. Pop the hood because we're fighting daylight, guys. 6.0 liter Vortec engine. Fluids are nice and clean right there. Battery's in great shape. Factory air box. And yeah, she's really kept up nice and clean. And headlights are brand new. So if you guys have any questions about this truck, you can call 540-898-3025. Someone will be more than happy to help you. We can assist you any way, shape, or form. You can check out the website for more pictures and video on this truck, superiorwholesale.org. If you're driving on Route 1 right over here behind us, look for the big black monster truck, the big Ford F-250 that says Superior right on the side of it. You can't miss us. We crush the competition. We're the biggest one in town. Just kidding. We love everybody. No hate towards anybody. So yeah, hope you guys are doing great. If you want to call or text me on my work cell phone, it's 540-848-2974. This one is for sale, priced to sell. Hope you guys are doing great. Take care.